Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Wednesday, May 16th, 2012. The market opened up this morning at 1334, represented by this white dotted line. We generally don't trade from 9:30 till 9:45. It's just a period of higher volatility. There's one exception. We do take the trade, and that's in the direction of the gap fill. In this particular case, there was a nice clean setup coming out of the gate right there at 9:35. I did not get this trade, so I colored it in yellow. But if you're doing the review for purposes of your trading plan, you can see it's a nice clean trade setup. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 6 ticks. I did get into this last one right here, coming off of the opening price, +1, +2 for a total of 6 ticks on that trade with 2 contracts. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had a sharp spike upward, did not have an opportunity to catch any of that according to our trade plan, and then a nice retracement. We do have what's called a dive trade. Tried to get in on this dive trade, got target 1 off and got stopped out for -2 ticks. Then when you do get stopped out one specific direction for what's called a shark attack trade, in that particular trade we didn't even get off target 1, got stopped out for -10 ticks in that particular trade, and then another opportunity for a trendline wave trade and also a retracement trade got stopped out. They both occurred at the same time, so in that one trade -2 ticks. We found ourselves flirting with the moving average. Another opportunity for a trendline wave trade short going against the trend, so only go for 6 ticks, not much more for that. We then had another opportunity for 6 ticks. We did not know this market was going to just take off to the downside here at around 10:45. The specific news I was not sure of at that time. And we then had a follow-through dive trade that I did not take advantage of because we went back into our opening range. And this opening range tends to be choppy. The euro was selling off relatively heavy at this point. We were expecting continued downside movement. The dive trade target is the shark line, and this shark line is what we show in the shark den. Notice how it hit it, stalled for a little bit, and continued. Price action worked its way back into the opening range. And notice also when price action is just kind of wrapping around the shark line, not much we can do. An aggressive trade would have been here, an extended wave trade. Target 1 and target 2 would have hit. I did not take this trade. I don't want to be playing around with price action around the opening price or around the shark line, just a period of choppiness. Now here, coming out of the opening range and away from the shark line, I took an opportunity to get short. Target 1 got hit and I got stopped out again for -2 ticks. Went into a no trade zone from 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Notice how we had a lot of sideways chop. It's just a period of lower volume, higher volatility. Coming out of there, we had a nice clean retracement trade. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 10 ticks to the downside. Nice little bounce. Tried for an extended wave trade. Got target 1 off, got stopped off for another 2 ticks. And then we retraced all the way back up into the opening, also into the shark line. Retracement. Found a trendline wave trade short for a total of 10 ticks all the way down here. Another retracement for a trendline wave trade to the downside. Finding support in the shark den, I said a specific number, 1323.25. We hit it to a tick. So here's the opportunity. Did it fill at the 1323.25? Did not. Moved my profit target up by 1 to get filled at 1323.5. That's pretty much for the afternoon. Had another opportunity to get long coming off the moving average. Got target 1 off, got stopped out for -2 ticks. Had another retracement trade to the downside. There was a lot of trades. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 8 ticks on this particular trade. And that was it for the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.